Besides oncology, hepatitis C is another area where there's a lot of development of new medications. We're going to see this next wave of oral direct-acting antiviral agents hit the market beginning later this year. So the first drug to watch for is cimeprevir, and that's an oral protease inhibitor, and that's going to be competing with Victrellis and Incivic. Cimeprevir is given once daily compared to 3 times daily with Incivic and Victrellis. And the medication is given for 12 weeks, but then you still need oral ribavirin and pegylated interferon for an additional 12 to 36 weeks after that. Shortly after cimeprevir is approved, sovosibuvir is going to be approved, and this is a polymerase inhibitor, and it will be approved across all genotypes. So for genotypes 2 and 3, it will be the first all-oral regimen given with ribavirin for a total of 12 weeks. Some patients with genotype 3 may be treated longer than that, up to 16 weeks. And then for genotypes 1, 4, 5, and 6, it will be approved with ribavirin and pegylated interferon, but the total treatment duration will be 12 weeks. A lot of patients, I think, will be waiting for next year when we have an all-oral regimen for genotype 1 hepatitis C, which represents the biggest amount of patients, 75% of patients with hep C of genotype 1. And there will be an all-oral regimen with ledipasvir, which is an NS5A inhibitor, approved probably in late 2014 or early 2015. And this is going to have a significant impact on the market. So the first drug to watch for is cimeprevir. November is the action date, November 28th. December 8th is the action date for sovosibuvir. So those are the next 2 drugs to keep your eye on for hepatitis C. Another very active market. And then there are several other oral direct-acting antivirals in the development as well. So AbbVie has another product that will be approved probably in late 2014 or early 2015 too, as an all-oral regimen, and then there'll be several more hitting the market after that. Hepatitis C spend is going to increase dramatically. Right now, there's a lot of warehousing going on where patients are just waiting for these new therapies to hit the market to receive their treatment for hepatitis C. And these are all oral regimens. You don't need the pegylated interferon, which has a lot of side effects with it. So you'll see a significant increase in the amount of use of these medications too. And there's more screening going on as well, where the baby boomers are all being diagnosed through this universal screening program. So yes, definitely expect increased prices for hepatitis C once these products reach the market in the near term.